The private profile feature not working on Pinterest Lite. If you can't make your profile private, your privacy settings aren't being saved, or your profile visibility isn't updating correctly. In this video, I will show you how to fix private profile on Pinterest Lite app. The first thing you have to do is to go to Pinterest Lite. Then in this page, you will move to the sign of profile. You will tap on your profile. Here in this window, you will move to above and you will click here on sign of settings. After that, you will go to profile visibility. And here what you will find is this feature. You will tap here to enable this feature and to make your profile private in this way. So this is how it works. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to press the bell icon.